Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Glacier Bank account using a mobile device. If you'd like to log into your online banking account, check your balance, send and receive payments and much more, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser. Soon after you do that, type in www.glacierbank.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of Glacier Bank that looks like this. If you've not enrolled for online banking yet, you can tap on the Apply Now button and follow the instructions, but if you already have an account and you'd like to simply log into it, tap on the login link. Now, you should see an expanded menu displayed. Go ahead and type in your username into the username text box that you see. Tap on the login button. After you're done, go ahead and type in your password on the next page as soon as the password text box appears. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you're trying to log into your account. In case you don't remember your password, you can tap on this reset password link and follow the instructions. Finally, after everything's typed in, tap on the submit button in green and you'll be logged into your Glacier online banking account quick and easy using a mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial contents like this again. Thank you for watching.